I just wanted to give everybody a quick tour of the actual gallery that we've got. Coming out from the main entrance, we have some artwork from Sharon Woods, and then if we slowly move around, we have some lovely glass creations by Helen Waters. We then move on, we've got some items from Jill Collier. There's quite a few here, as you can see. We've got a card rack with many artists in. We have Nessa from Nessa Art Life. We also have some from Sarah Smith and Julie Lawn, and we've even got some from Barry Whitehouse, so that's the Artery. We then have Sarah with some of her artwork on the wall, and we also then have Nessa from Nessa's Art Life. We've got a lovely tiger, and then we have another item there. We then have Dave Cook, and then we go on to Lee Atherton. We then have some more of Sharon's work. We also have Louise Regan, that's here. And we have another card creator called Margaret. We've got a number of her cards in stock. And then if we move round to the other side of the store, we actually have my artwork there as well. We've got a lot more framing chevrons, so a larger selection. We then have Dana. Dana's from America, and he does a lot of astrophotography. We have some Lee Atherton cards as well in store. And then we move on to some collectible items. We have the Ghostbuster vehicle, and we've got a nice little dragon up the top there. And we've got a lot of mugs from Star Wars Mandalorian. We've got this fantastic Ghostbusters mug. Sorry about the darkness here. We've got some from Top Gun. We've got Back to the Future action figures. And we also have Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. We then go on, we've got some more items. These are fairies based on Alice in Wonderland. We have some more dragons as well. We're just working outside. We're actually putting the sign back up. We did have a few issues with it, but that's going back up today, but the weather's not been that good. If we go outside, this is one of the main windows. So yet again you can see that Ghostbusters mug a bit better. And then we go on to the Baby Yoda, or Grogu as he is now known. So that's the Mandalorian stuff. The next shelf we've got the Back to the Future mugs and notepads. And then we've got the 35th anniversary action figures, or collectibles. And then we go down there and we've got Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. We've also got some collector plates and Doctor Who. And we've got a couple of Harry Potter plates, along with an action collectible, and some mugs, along with Living Dead dolls. And then if we go over to the other window, as you can see, we have a work in here. We've still got that ladder coming out. And then we've got some glass work from Helen Waters. And then we move on to Jill Collier's work. Wide selection of different birds, hares, cats, dogs, foxes. Right, so that's the artist. Take care. Bye.